first, the marble goes down these books. Then it goes onto this ramp. Then it goes down these wooden blocks. Then it goes into this marble track. Then it goes onto this ramp. But then it goes into the toilet paper roll. And then it knocks down all of these dominoes. And then it knocks these balls. Take one. Oh. Take two.
Oh.
Take three. Take four with two marbles at the same time. Oh, fail. Take six. Does it take six?
Maybe 5.
Oh, yeah, 5. Woohoo!
Nice work. Very cool.
Yay.